on it and swim. Every time I want to go on it. Yeah, so she went on it and swam with it. Yeah, but not that way. So ready, I'm going to swim. Quack, 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 like this. When I say quack, 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 that means I want you drag that all the way over to my water. Can I swim it? Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Taylor, can you say Happy Father's Day?
To Daddy.
She's playing him a song.
Playing a tune instead. Looks like for license for the way home, bud. Is this a driver's license?
Dad, or Rhett made that himself. With
Or do I hang this on my door?
not any help at all.
A sign?
He could hang that on his office cube.
Yeah, if you want. That was great.
Taylor made that one herself too. A lot of work went into those.
Alright. You wanna help me open, Jay?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you open. I wanna help you open.
Jay will help with this one.
And I'll help with mine. But it's in this box, Dad.
It's something that Rhett and Taylor both did.
Yep.
They
Rhett and
helped
Taylor
make.
did. Both of us did. Open it. It's in here.
Could it
It's
be?
in here. This.
My child's hand imprint to cherish forever.
See what it is. It's both of our hands.
Oh, you kidding me?
This
Let's
is
see if
mine.
they fit.
This is mine.
Oh, I think that might be tape. Tape and
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Wrong hand tape.
No, that's right.
She had it right.
What was the other one? She had it right. Thumb, pinky,
Can I do
middle.
mine?
Right there, look!
What's this, Mom?
It fits, Jay!
What's this, Mommy?
That's a
That's
stand.
a stand for this.
This is Rats.
Let's see if yours works right. There, it is yours. You must have had it done the same time.
Yep.
Yeah?
I think so.
It wasn't too long ago you did that.
Is this that bag of stuff in the...
Whose phone is that?
Taylor's playing the piano in there.
Oh, I got one, Dad. Oh, I got one. Oh, I ran a big fish. Fish? Woo! I got something!
Oh, get him in, Red!
Yeah.
Get him in!
Yeah. Feel him.
He's a good one.
Yeah.
Good one, Red.
Back up. Back up. Get him on land. He's huge.
Wow, Rhett! Good one.
That was my first one.
That's nice.
That's a big size.
That was his first catch.
That's about the same size as Colby's catch was. That's a great one.
Put your finger right in there. Go like that.
Whoa!
Say flip right.
Yes, I got it. Come here, you little.
Away from the water so that he doesn't run away.
Because he's a big guy. He could wiggle right back in the water.
I got him. He's a big fish. I think I got one. Hey, they're both swimming together. I think they want to get out, but they can't. Because there's no way how to get out. Unless they're like a high jumper, like the ones that Daddy caught. My dad caught.
Were they jumpers? There's Grandpa way across the lake. He's way over there. I'll get out of your way so you can cast. Hi, Lou.
Hi.
Are you playing the piano? Do you want to come out and catch a fish? Not right now? If you feel like catching one.
You.
Yeah, there's a lot of fish coming in there. You'll have to come look at them in the bucket after a while, okay? You can come try to reel one in. We're catching lots of them. Okay, Tay, go look in the bucket. Let's go see what's in there. Do you see some?
I'm not.
Are they swimming?
Yeah. I'm gonna catch a fish.
Look at me, Tay.
Hi. I'm gonna catch a fish.
Well, let's get a pole. You want to? I bet your dad will cast one and you can reel it in.
No.
You want to?
I know how to cast.
Okay, you can cast.
The other one's cast out your fishing pole.
Are you going to cast one for me, Tay? Let's see a cast.
5 times cast.
Let's see a big cast. Good one.
I think that thing can actually catch some.
You think?
Yeah, well, it looks like a fish.
I know.
No, like,
They might chase it.
they can grab onto it, they just won't stay that long.
Yeah, you're right.
I think I got one. I saw one jump, like, right that second when I threw it right where it jumped. It just didn't even bite.
Finally got some fish cleaning up here. Got enough to start cleaning. Did you catch something? A purple fish! Yay!
How long is Russian fishing?
Taylor caught a fish!
You want to bring him to fishing, Grandpa?
Do you know how to show her how to hold him so he doesn't slip out of her hand?
Put one finger here.
Here's one. Here's a big one.
Those are kind of
big
sharp
one.
right there. You put finger.
And then you hold him with the other one.
Show fishing, Grandpa.
Go take that to fishing, Grandpa Tay. Don't drop him.
Oh, dude, you're bringing me a fish.
You better help her. She made it the whole way up.
There you go. Boy. There. You're a big splash. Is there one in there or is it moss?
I know I got one. Look at all these fish. That was my first hand. That's not a fish.
Really?
Yeah, but the guy's tiny. Now I can find a tangle.
Out at Okoboji, and we have had a little bit of an incident. Fish and Grandpa thought he'd take a little trip onto the beach while we were out in Donna Mae's boat. Got a little stuck. Hi, Rhett. I was only taking Rhett's picture, Tay. Camping up. Sure. Go get him, Tay. Go out in the yard. Gotta be quick, Dad.
Time out.
Hi, Tay.
You fill up mine.
Why don't you come in and fill it up?
Alright.
Good running, Rhett.
Your bottle. That's black one. I want the black one. No, that one's not that one. I want that. I like the iPad. What? Huh?
job, Sadie.
Stop.
Oh. What is it, Tay?
A bug.
You did?
We see little bugs.
Little bugs?
Yeah, that's
Bugs named Rhett Dean?
Look at this plant. Is a plant or a
I
weed?
think it might be a weed.
Oh. That is a weed.
Hi.
Hi.
I sure like your dress.
Here, Mom. Here.
What is it? Oh, thank you, Rhett. What a nice
Sweet.
flower.
I can
Thank
get
you.
a white one for you too. But there's no white one.
Where you guys at?
Campsite.
Which one?
The rock campsite. You see the big rock?
The big rock.
You should stand by and see if you're as big.
Oh, I'm sure I'm bigger than that little rock.
No, this big rock.
The really big one?
Yeah.
See, I'm bigger.
That looks like you were bigger. It looks like you were just not the age of the rock. Actually, none dads can. He has big enough.
I have the best painters in the whole world.
I got a happy face.
I
He
see.
shaded his mouth.
Very cute.
More.
You guys are doing great.
More, Debbie.
More paint? Okay. You're doing great. I'll have to get you some more paint, Rhett, in just a minute.
Oh. Mom, are we your best painters?
You really are my best painters.
I got some fingers for that.
I just had to get a picture because Dad is going to want to see what was underneath all the second coats, huh? In case we have other coats. Careful with that. Don't do that.
This is my street. But don't paint my street.
You guys are doing great.
See my street?
I do. A nice long streak. We had one small casualty. The other wall was accidentally painted. We're going to paint that over with white so you don't ever notice. Look at your line.
It is a car.
Is it a road? How about, do you want to paint, don't get near the wood, but paint right under here? Just in the white part?
I don't have very much paint though.
Wow, nice stripe.
No, it's a rainbow.
Oh, cool.
It's a candy cane. It's a candy cane. See this candy cane?
These guys are
It
the
looks
best
like a
helpers.
Let me candy cane on the wall.
Nice candy cane. Good helpers, guys.